government of Zambia agreed that they purchased this thing. This thing, they said they purchased it for $1 million US. Let me show you again. People from all over the world, they said they purchased this thing. Each one of them is costing $1 million US. America, look at what they are doing with the money that you are sending for funding. London, China, see the people you are sending money to. Look at what they are buying. They are saying this thing is $1 million US. And the thing is falling up and down like Wall of Jericho. It's falling up and down like Wall of Jericho. Chilufya Chitalo, I want to ask you a question. If you really love the people of Zambia like the way Satan loved the poor people of Zambia, what would have stopped you from not buying this useless wheelbarrow you call fire trucks and buy enough vehicles for people that are working in the hospitals? If really you love the people of Zambia, Chilufya Chitalo, I thought you were wise. You are not wise, my brother. There is nothing there in your brain. Nothing. For you to open your mouth and say it's normal, and because there was no vehicle, how many vehicles was $1 million going to purchase for the people? If you really love the people. If you really love the people of Zambia, President Sata loved the people. President Sata loved the poor people. If you really love them, you are not going to buy this fire truck for $1 million US. I priced it here in South Africa before I started talking. Each and every one of them is not more than $150,000 US. Where is the remaining of the money? You have pocketed it, and now you are saying there is no vehicle for people that are working in the hospital. Minister, are you okay? Minister, what has Zambian people done to you, PF? They don't deserve what you are doing to them now. They voted you in because they thought you were coming to fight for them. They removed MMD because they thought that you came for the people. The people that you are supposed to fight for are the people that you are eating. They are the people that are dying. They are the people that are being sacrificed. Those of you who are saying the minister is working hard, all of you that are saying that, you are very stupid. You are very stupid. You are not wise. If you open your mouth and say Chilufya is working hard and is controlling things very, very well, you don't have wisdom. You have been brainwashed. You have been brainwashed. What does he do? A government like government of Zambia now, where everything has gone wrong, what are you supposed to be doing? You are not even supposed to say there are no vehicles to transport COVID materials. You are supposed to cut your salaries as ministers and buy vehicles if there is no money. Because you are not doing anything. Chilufya Tayali, what do you call yourself? The Minister of Health. The only thing you do is to wake up in the morning, comb your head, dress well, iron your clothes, and to come and appear on camera. Camera freak person. Come and appear on camera and start talking rubbish. And people are saying he's doing well, he's handling it well. How is he handling it well? If Chilufya, the minister of what? If that minister, if his son was a medical doctor, he was not going to allow his son to carry such a thing in a public bus. Few weeks ago, there was a complaint that the people that are fighting corona in Zambia are getting affected. The nurses are getting affected. I thought you would have waken up and you would have waken up and say, what is happening? Let me protect my people. Everybody cried. You close your heart and you allow a clinical officer to go and die. Just like that. Okay, what if that thing was open? Because accident happens, that thing breaks, And those samples gets to sprinkle all over, get to spread all over, and touch people all over. What are you going to say? Chilufia. Chilufia, what are you going to say? You are a wicked man. You are wicked. You even have the God to say there was no vehicles. There was no hospital vehicle. I don't blame you. Of course. All you stupid politicians in Zambia, you don't care. How can a whole district be having few vehicles? Because you don't go to those hospitals. When you are sick, you fly to India. When you are sick, you fly to USA. When you are sick, you fly to Spain. You get yourself healed. Using the money of the poor. All those money that they are donating now, what are you doing with them? America, you are watching me. The whole of Africa, you are watching me. Even those people that are donating the money, there is over 7,800 people that are watching me. Even the president and his people, all of you are watching. All those money that have been donated, what are you doing with them? You want to steal them, to continue coming to South Africa to build a house, to continue coming to South Africa to buy properties. Buying properties in Switzerland, sending your money outside the country. Let me tell you something today. Those money that you are stealing from the poor and banking for your children will be useless. Your children will be useless. I curse them today in the name of Godfather. Your children are going to be prostitutes. Your children are going to be porn stars. Your children are going to be useless. All those money that you are banking for them, other people will eat it on their behalf. Those of you, please be careful. Anita, thank you.